Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Happn application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Happn application on your Android device, tap open your Play Store first. Once you do that, go to the search box at the top, type in HAPPN and search. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the search result where you can see this application at the very top that says Happn Local Dating App. Tap on the install button right next to the app to begin the downloading process. When it comes to downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a stable internet and you'll be able to download your application quicker. Happn is an online dating application, which is a location-based social search mobile and web application that allows users to like or dislike other users and allow users to chat with them if both parties like each other. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your mobile device. Once you download the application and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up. Give it a tap to launch the app open, and that is how you can easily download Happn online dating application on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.